Before you make a decision to buy Keap, there are 7 key things you absolutely need to know that can make or break your experience. Stick around because I'll give you the inside scoop on Keap, how it stacks up against its competitors, and why it's a solid choice, or not, for your business. Now, first things first. Keap is an all-in-one sales and marketing automation software. It's aimed at small businesses, especially those looking for a combination of CRM, email marketing, sales pipeline management, and more. But before jumping in, it's crucial to understand what it offers, so you know if it's the right tool for you. Next thing to consider is the pricing. Keap's pricing starts at a premium compared to competitors like HubSpot or MailChimp. While it's true that you get a lot of features with Keap, such as built-in CRM, automated email campaigns, and sales pipeline management, the pricing can feel steep if you're just starting. You'll be paying for features that might not be immediately useful unless you have a decent volume of customers or leads. That said, there's a free trial available through the link below, so you can test things out for yourself before committing. The third thing to know is the learning curve. Keap is packed with functionality, but it can feel overwhelming if you've never used an automation tool before. If you're used to simpler software like MailChimp or even basic CRMs like HubSpot, Keap's interface might take a little time to get comfortable with. There's a lot to configure to fully optimize the system, and while it has a solid support team, be prepared to spend some time learning the ropes. The fourth thing you need to understand is its customer support. Keap offers 24/7 support, but unlike other software like Salesforce, which has a wide array of resources, Keap's customer service is often described as hit or miss. Some users report quick and helpful responses, while others feel left in the dark. So, if customer service is a big deal for you, make sure you're ready to dig through some self-help options or be patient for a response. Next up, Keap's integrations. Keap supports a wide range of integrations, from email marketing tools to accounting software like QuickBooks, and even e-commerce platforms like Shopify. This makes it a solid choice if you're looking for software that works well with other tools. However, it's not as seamless as some competitors like ActiveCampaign, which can make syncing across platforms a bit of a hassle. So, while integrations are available, you might find yourself needing a bit more configuration and troubleshooting to make everything work smoothly. Now, one of the standout features of Keap is its automation capabilities. It allows you to set up sophisticated email sequences, task assignments, and follow-up reminders, all with minimal input. The automation is robust, and it shines when it comes to freeing up time for your team. If you're managing a lot of leads or prospects, this is where Keap can really save you time and increase efficiency. Compared to other automation-focused platforms like ActiveCampaign, Keap's visual workflow builder is intuitive, but not as flexible in some areas. The last thing you need to know is its reporting and analytics. Keap offers pretty in-depth analytics that can track email open rates, campaign performance, sales pipeline activity, and more. However, it's not as comprehensive as the analytics from platforms like Salesforce or HubSpot, which provide deeper, more customizable reports. If you need to dig deep into metrics, you might find Keap lacking in some areas. For businesses that need detailed insights into customer behavior or more advanced reporting, it might fall short. So, now that you have a clearer picture of what Keap offers, you can make a more informed decision. Is it worth it? If you're a small business looking for an all-in-one automation tool with CRM functionality, then Keap is definitely a contender. But if you're just starting out, or if you don't need all of the features, there are cheaper, simpler options available. If you want to try Keap for yourself, make sure to click the first link in the description to get the best free trial offer available. You'll also get some exclusive benefits when you sign up through that link. Don't miss out on the chance to test it out and see if it's the right fit for your business.